we are Bacardi team from SMK Tendong in Kelantan. Our project is a toothbrush washing machine with an electronic sensor. The reason we create this washing machine is because it won't damage the toothbrush breathless when the toothbrush user brush too hard, and to save time for the people who want to go to work in the morning.
Yes, we can. By using a toothbrush washing machine that has been innovated by us, with adding an ultrasonic sensor, we can help solve this problem.
We learn to make creative ideas to solve the problem that happen around us. We also learn the function of some electronic part and coding that we didn't know before this.
We also learn the importance of cooperation of that, so we can finish it faster and much better.
So that's all from us.
Bye.